Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a garage haul with my sister Courtney.
Hi.
You can tell we do look alike. This is our first haul together, doing it together, and we spent over $200 at garage. And they recently came in, so let's do this. I got this festival Cami shirt. It kind of has like, it's ribbed, and it kind of has like the tie in the back, which I really like. And this one was for $16.95.
This material pretty thick.
Yeah, it's like sometimes like girls they wear bras and it's like see-through, so I didn't like I wanted something like thicker. Okay, this is what the top looks like. Really cute, comfortable. And then the back is just even cuter, like look! It's like perfect for festivals or even like beach. And I would say it goes with like any outfit, honestly.
I bought an open black long sleeve tee, the one that, so I've seen this on so many people. It opens in the back there, I'll show you when we try it on. And I always wanted to try it out, but I feel like the size of the sleeves might be a bit big for my arms because I'm pretty small. But we'll see, and I read the reviews and a lot of people have had problems with that as well. And I got an extra small in this one. I got it for $24.95. Alright, this is the top. I match it with the skirt. I actually think it's pretty cute from the front, but the back is a little like... I'm not sure if I like it. Don't mind my bra. Personally, it looks better on models for me. The sleeves are just a tad bit loose on me, but they're not bad.
And the next item I got was this, it's called a ruche cami. So this has been a pretty like trending lately. Like all these like, I don't know how to describe it.
The ruffles?
Yeah, but it's like a string and then like you can tighten it to like make it like shorter or like you can stretch it out to make it longer. This one was $19.95. A little pricier, but I think it's because like the whole style and it is a little on the thinner side. So
it's kind of like a cotton feel.
Yeah, if you were to wear like a wire bra, it might show through. Actually really cute. I was a little worried that it was a little thin, but overall, like I would say it's like very like Vegas, like fancy.
Next top I got is Camisole. So I saw this in store and I thought it was so cute. It is called a Camisole Smock Bustier Cami. It's in an Icelandic blue flora color. You can see it's kind of like flowery.
Yeah.
There, okay. And it has this kind of, what is this called? I don't know. I forgot what it's called. It's on the top of my tongue. But it's very stretchy. You can see what I mean when it's ruffles there. But it's super cute and we'll try it out. Alright, this is what this crop top looks like. I actually really like this one. I can totally wear it with a skirt or pants, capris. You can see the ruching here. Kind of goes like this a little bit. Definitely probably meant for people with bigger boobs, but that's okay. I can still work it. And that's what the back looks like.
Moving on to dresses. This one is called the Bruce Bust Bodycon dress. So it definitely looks like just like a regular plain mini dress, but if you like look closer up, it kind of has that like, what's it called, like ruffles kind of at the top.
It's kind of like a baby doll dress, I guess.
Yeah, but this is like a bodycon, so you definitely like tight to your body. The thing is, the material is more, it's like stretchy, but it's like not like the bandage ones that you would like see. This one was $29.95. But I just wanted something like casual, like I definitely like the top part of it. This is what the mini dress looks like. Can't really see from the far, but if I like go closer up, you can kind of see the ruffles.
Oh, thanks, Ellie.
But yeah, like it's very, I would say you can find this like at Brandy Melville. I don't know, I'm kind of having second like thoughts about this, but we'll see how it goes.
So the next top I got is called the Courtney Cardi. It's meant to be. I got it in the bright white and extra small, and this one was $29.95. You can see it's a cropped white sweater. The material is so good. It's like super stretchy, fits nice to the body, thick material. I'm afraid though that if I wash it, it might shrink and it might show like cleavage if I like put my arms up or something, so probably have to be wary about that. But this is gonna look like super cute. I've been really wanting one too, because Brandy Melville has something like this, but Brandy Melville's so expensive. So this one's a little bit cheaper and I think I like it. Alright, this is what this crop top looks like. Super cute. Hugs against my arms, even though my arms are like super skinny. One thing I like about this is you can button it all the way up here, or you can kind of keep a couple buttons open, show a little bit of clown lunch, something like that. You can definitely dress up or dress down. This is what I really love about it. And see, if you put your arms up, no cleavage so far. Just gotta careful how I wash it.
I bought this one in store when they started opening their stores. This is a wrap bodycon, but it also has like the ruche on the side as well. So it kind of has I don't know how to describe it. It's like a petal.
The material?
No, like the cut.
Like a crisscross cut?
Yeah. And then it's like bathing suit material.
Yeah.
So, but then when I tried it on, I was afraid like, oh, white will show like my underwear, it'll show my bra, but it was actually really thick and like it didn't show anything, so definitely I wanted to buy it. And then this one is $34.95. But if you sign up with Garage and you get their offers, you get like, so I got 20% off for our birthday. And then it ended up being like $20. And I was just like, okay, it's worth it. And this is the last item. I love how it like definitely like curves to my body. And it's just like, as I was saying, like you can't even see my underwear or bra or anything. And it has this like side detail where I think you can pull it tighter if you wanted to.
The last top I got is a... Sorry, I'm just looking at my phone here because I wrote them all down. The smocked crop tank in the bright white, extra small. I got it for $19.95. Just crop tank there, and again it has that kind of ruching, pilling kind of against your skin. I really like the one at Aritzia, and I was debating either this one or Aritzia one, but I think this is more of like a casual kind of tank, whereas the Aritzia is more of a formal kind, but I thought this one was pretty cute. We'll try it on. The thing I don't like about the color about this one, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but between the Courtney Cardi and then the smoked is slightly different color. This, oh my phone! My phone dropped. This one's more of like a, I don't know.
A cooler white?
This one's a cooler white. This one's more of a white. I prefer this color more just because this one kind of looks a little bit dirty on me when I wear stuff. Alright, this is my crop top. Cute. See what I mean with the ruffles here? It's a little bit of flare at the bottom. The thing that I was debating between the Aritzia one and this one was because the Aritzia one, when you wear a bra, it makes that line here, and I didn't really want to always wear a sticky bra. And this is this one doesn't show as much because I think because of the material and the way it is, but super cute. Are you naked, Ellie? Oh my goodness! Where's your collar?
Was Peter doing something to you?
Okay. Last but not least, this is my other purchase. No, just kidding. My last purchase was a skirt that I saw online. Super, super cute. It is called the Camisole, nope, wrong one. The Smocked Mini Skirt in Snow White Floral, extra small. I got it for $29.95. Yeah, you want to sniff it? Thanks, Ellen. So again, this one has that ruching type again that hugs against your body, and then below it is more of like a flare out kind of skirt. I think it was high-waisted on the model, but we'll try and see. Oh, and I also see, yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. It has that elastic band around here as well, I guess, to hold everything up. And it also came with a matching crop top as well. I didn't get that one, but I was gonna match it with, never mind, they don't match. I thought they did when I made this purchase. But anyways, I can match it with any crop top, to be honest, but let's check it out. So this is what the skirt looks like. I don't know if you can see it from the angle. I personally really like it. I just don't know if it's gonna be too short. But I definitely love the high-waisted part. Belly button's right here. Perfect, perfect. Super cute and white too. I like how it kind of like the tightness stops right here, so it kind of just is like open. That's, I don't know.
Thank you for watching our haul. If you liked our haul, please like and comment if you wanted to see any other brands that we should show off, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye!